Today we are at the John Ball Zoo installing a PolyLevel project. We'll be fixing the stairs inside of a chimpanzee enclosure. They had an erosion problem with the water constantly running down and underneath the stair, and that has caused it to flush out all of the soil and then sink down.
Something unique about this project is we're not just helping humans with PolyLevel, we're actually able to help chimpanzees inside an enclosure that they have to make their quality of life better as well.
I never expected to be doing PolyLevel inside of a zoo, let alone an actual enclosure. It's very interesting. It's a nice little change of scenery.
Doing it this way allows minimal disruption to the chimpanzees and their enclosure. So it's minimal time on having the chimpanzees in a different location, and it's less invasive. The steps were down and uneven by about 8 inches to 9 inches. So we were able to pick those back up as close as original as possible.
Everyone really wanting to make sure that the steps are something that the chimps can get up and down, really caring for the animals.
What excites me about working with PolyLevel is definitely the before and afters that we're able to achieve. What we're doing really matters because it could be a safety concern for the homeowner or the animals, and it makes things visually more appealing. There's multiple aspects to look at it from, whether it be a cosmetic or a safety concern that the homeowners have that we're able to help. If you have uneven or unsafe concrete at your house, quit monkeying around. Call Ayers Basement Systems.